Good afternoon. This is a kind of a blizzard warning update. Still in northwest Missouri, north of Kansas City. The winds have picked up dramatically, sustained at 40, 45, and it basically got whiteout conditions. I had to get off the Interstate 29. There's numerous cars that have went off the road. We're flash freezing now. We're down to, I think, 28, 27, 28 now, and it shows in the car. And the interstate is flash freezing. It's really wet, snow at the bottom, and it's now solid ice on Interstate 29. And people are driving, both 18-wheelers and cars are driving way too fast, like 50, 60 miles an hour, and it's like solid ice and zero visibility, and people are driving 50 and 60 miles an hour on the interstate, so it was way too unsafe. So I got off the interstate, and I'm taking the back roads now, and the snow is really coming down hard. And this is the back area halfway between Kansas City and St. Joe, and west of me, it's just really intense. Let's look at radar, and this very intense band, which is still back to my west, the really crazy stuff. This is going to be the 2 to 3 inches an hour. Right now, I'm probably about 1 inch an hour, which is my location right here. You can see I'm just south of St. Joe, but this band right here is going to be really trouble. It's extremely bad back here at Topeka. All these areas back west here, the winds are gusting 40, 45, sometimes 50, and torrential heavy snow, thunder snow, and widespread power outages, numerous people trapped on numerous roads. The roads are all closed west of Topeka and Salina area, and I expect the roads, even I-70 closer to Kansas City, to be closed soon. And like I said, this area continues to just get hammered. It's basically zero visibility in this area, and it's just absolutely amazing. You can hear the wind. I'll be quiet and you listen to the wind out here. This real heavy snow is making its way across northeast Kansas. It's going to be it's already in Kansas City. It's making its way up to south of Des Moines, and then eventually Chicago, Davenport, Iowa, but all the way from northeast Kansas all the way to Chicago. Very intense blizzard, and with additional blizzard warnings have now been issued. Let's look at that here. Let me pull that up. I believe initial blizzard warnings have been issued. What they have here. Yeah, okay, so they just updated it. So here we go. So we got a blizzard warning. It looks like almost all the way to Chicago now. Most of northern Illinois, Rockford, back down here to Davenport, Moline. Most of north side, northern Missouri is in it, south of Des Moines, but there's Quad Cities is in it, and then over here to Rockford, intense blizzard all the way from Chicago, southern Iowa, northern Missouri, Kansas City, back to Salina. All roads west of Kansas City are almost impassable or closed. Numerous people are stuck, numerous wrecks all along I-70 across Kansas in southern Nebraska. So this area is hammered, and this is the area, this big upper low now is not too far from us. It's continued to spin away here just to our south and east. And the worst is actually yet to come. So we have this intense warm air advection, and the upper low is just about right here right now, and it's throwing the precip, the moisture up over this area. And then here's the intense band back to the west. This is where the deformation zone is setting up back on the western side. As this upper low pulls off, this intense band will shift east and maybe even southeast, and we'll get this big heavy band, something like this, over the next 3 to 4 hours. So snow continues to be very intense, and snow rates are anywhere from 1 to 3 inches an hour. And right now, the most intense snow is actually just still in the Topeka area to Salina, just west of me here. Very, very, you see how it is right here? If you look at where I'm at right here, I'm in the light to moderate snow. Here is extremely heavy snow. I'm not even in the heavy snow, and I've already got almost zero visibility with 40, 45 mile an hour winds where I'm at now. So that's the issue as you get west of here, and it's going to be really, really bad. So anyway, that's a real quick update from this area. We're going to continue to make our way on this county road, and we'll give you more updates as we head west. I'm sure we're going to go over to Kansas and give you an update from that side of the state line. We're just on the Kansas Missouri border right now. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Come on. Come on. Yep. Control notifications. Yep. There we go. Thank you, guys.